This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. A petition to end dismemberment abortions in Michigan has been submitted by the Michigan Values Life Coalition, according to a press release from the Right to Life of Michigan. The coalition submitted 379,418 signatures believed to be legitimate to the Michigan Bureau of Elections on Monday in order to initiate legislation that would ban dismemberment abortions in the state of Michigan, according to the Right to Life of Michigan. The group said that the legal signature requirement for the citizen-initiated legislation is just over 340,000 in the state of Michigan, which is based on the total number of votes for governor in the previous election. The group said the dismemberment ban bills include an exception if the mother's life is in danger. Planned Parenthood has released a statement to Fox 47 regarding the petition. The only people who should be making medical decisions about a pregnancy are the pregnant person and their doctor. We will challenge this petition every step of the way to ensure every person in Michigan has access to the care they and their doctor decide is best for them, said Angela Vasquez-Giroux, Director of Communications and Media Relations of Planned Parenthood. Two teens are now facing federal charges after breaking into or attempting to break into several gun shops located across mid-Michigan. Brandon McClure, 18, and Daniel Ray, 19, broke into and stole a gun from Not Just Guns located on North Cedar Street in Mason back in September. The teens tried to break into that same establishment 3 more times. The pair are charged with gun theft and conspiracy to commit gun theft. The teens are accused of stealing a total of 56 firearms, and their bond is set at $20,000 each. A Charlotte man accused of sexually assaulting a teenager 40 years ago had his case dismissed on Monday. Last week, 75-year-old Joseph Berger and his attorney failed to appear before Judge Julie O'Neill for a probable cause conference in Eaton County's 56A District Court in Charlotte. That conference was rescheduled for December 23rd, but was dismissed on grounds that the statute of limitations has expired. Berger was charged with criminal sexual conduct for assaults that allegedly took place between 1978 and 1984 in Charlotte. The Eaton County Prosecutor's Office filed a motion on December 16th to dismiss the case based on the date of offenses, age of the victim, and the fact that they have no information that Berger left the state at any point. Henry Ford Allegiance Hospital in Jackson has implemented new visitor restrictions because of influenza. Effective immediately, no one younger than 12 will be allowed to visit patients at the hospital. Hospital authorities say the restrictions will be in place indefinitely. However, it depends on what happens with the flu season in Michigan. ER Dr. Nicholas Dyke told Fox 47 that's because influenza is spreading across the state. It's a big issue every winter, but especially this winter, Dr. Dyke said. Influenza can affect anybody of any age, any health level, and so from our perspective, it's our job as providers and leaders in the community to do our best to keep our family and our friends healthy. The hospital is full of germs and we do our best to manage that, but patients come to the emergency department of the hospital because they're sick. The hospital sees more than 75,000 patients every year, which amounts to an average of 241 a day. But during this time of year, flu season, they're seeing even more. The Department of Health and Human Services is reporting that flu activity is regional right now, which is the second worst category. Nationally, 19 flu-related deaths have been reported so far. Fox 47 checked with Sparrow and McLaren as well, and neither of them have visitor restrictions in place at this time. They're simply asking for people who are sick to not visit patients. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.